Hello friends, this is another example. If NA is defined as set of all A into N, ANs, such that N is a natural number, then what is N12 intersection N8? This is the question. I hope you understand what is N12. That is 12, 24, 36, etc. Isn't it? Similarly, N8 will be 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. So N12 intersection N8 means the common points to this will be 24, 48, etc. Isn't it? Okay. So that implies N12 intersection N8 is equal to N24, multiple of 24s. Isn't it? The rule is, if NA is defined as N into A or N, N is element of N, then NB intersection NC is equal to ND, where A, B, C, D are natural numbers and D is given by B into C. If B and C are co-prime numbers, co-prime, D is equal to LCM of B and C if B and C are not co-prime. Okay. If suppose for the same condition N7 intersection N11, then answer will be N77. N3 intersection N5 is equal to N15. Okay. This is another question which is asked in Olympiad. The function f from R to R is defined by fx cos squared x plus sin to the power 4x. There are 4 options were there. I did not wrote. Directly let us solve this. See, fx is equal to cos squared x can be written as 1 minus sin squared x plus sin to the power 4x. This can be written as 1 minus, if you take sin squared x common, 1 minus sin squared x, isn't it? So this is equal to 1 minus sin squared x into cos squared x. See, cos x into sin x or sin x into cos x can be written as 2 sin x cos x divided by 2, isn't it? That is sin 2x by 2, isn't it? Similarly here you can write this as 1 minus, since it is square, 2 squared sin squared x cos squared x divided by 2 square, or this is 1 minus sin squared 2x over 4. Okay, this whole term reduces to sin square 2x. Now this is your fx. So this fx will be maximum. You have to find the range. In order to find the range, you have to find the maximum and minimum values. This fx will be maximum when sin square 2x is minimum. This will be minimum when sin square 2x, because 1 minus this is maximum. So f maximum is equal to 1 minus sin 0. Okay, at that is 1. So f of maximum is 1. Similarly, f will be minimum when this will be maximum. This will be maximum means sin maximum value is 1. So this is 1 minus sin square 2x is 5 by 4. So 5 by 2 it is. So this is 1 by 4 at 2x is equal to 5 by 2, isn't it? At 5 by 2, this angle sin square theta will be maximum when theta is 5 by 2. So this is 3 by 4. So minimum value, therefore range is minimum 3 by 4 is included and 1 is also included. 3 by 4 to 1. So this is the range, minimum and maximum. See, this will also holds good for, this is not also range for f is equal to fx is equal to, this is sin squared x plus cos to the power 4x is equal to 3 by 4 and 1. So this, if this reverse, then also the range remains same. Okay, now the value of 3 into sin x minus cos x to the power 6 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole squared plus 4 into sin raised to 6x plus cos raised to 6x is 4 options. If you see the options, so these are independent of x. So you can take any value of x here. So at x is equal to 0, 3 into sin 0, 0 minus 1 whole raised to 6 plus 6 into 0 plus 1 raised to 2 plus 4 into 0 plus 1. So that is 13. So B is the correct answer. Okay. This is another question asked in NDA. If cot A is equal to 2 and cot B is equal to 3, then you can directly apply the formula cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B is equal to 6 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 if you substitute. Otherwise you can apply the rule. So one rule is there, that is, if tan A is equal to half and tan B is equal to 1 by 3, then tan A plus B is equal to 1 and A plus B is equal to 5 by 4. You can take it as standard result. Okay. So cot A is 2 means tan A is 1 by 2, isn't it? Therefore, a plus b is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, this is the what is the value of 1 plus sine 2 theta. This is very simple. So 1 can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, hence that is this is root of sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. So this reduces to this form, or this is nothing but sine theta plus cos theta whole squared, or this is sine theta plus cos theta. If you consider the positive value, then the B will be the answer. Okay, if root of 1 minus sine 2 theta, then this is sine theta minus cos theta, isn't it? See, this will be minus of sine theta cos theta, or cos theta minus sine theta when theta belongs to 0 to 5 by 4, and sine theta minus cos theta if theta belongs to 5 by 4 to 5 by 2. Okay. See, another interesting example is if 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan 2 alpha is equal to 2, then find alpha. Cot alpha minus 1, cot 3 alpha minus 1 is equal to 2, then find this. If you know the rule, then this will be very easy to solve and within a few seconds. See, the formula is if alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 4, then 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta is equal to 2, and cot alpha minus 1 into cot beta minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so this is to converse also. That means if alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 4, 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta is equal to 2. Cot alpha minus 1 cot into cot beta minus 1 is equal to 2. Or reverse, if 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta is equal to 2, then 5 alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 4. If cot alpha minus 1 into cot beta minus 1 is equal to 2, then alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, now this is very easy. Here this is equal to 2, that is given. That implies alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore 3 alpha is equal to 5 by 4, 4 into 3, or 5 by 12. Similarly, here alpha plus 3 alpha is equal to 5 by 4. That is 4 alpha is equal to 5 by 4 means, therefore alpha is equal to 5 by 16. Okay.